So welcome to this session. This is Cousin, the one of the tutors for graphic design. Yeah, welcome once again. So today we'll be going through a quick overview of graphic design. So we'll be talking majorly on what graphic design itself is, the types of graphic design, major tools graphic designer use, job titles for designers. So yeah, what is graphic design? Graphic design has been extracted from 99 Designs blog post. They define graphic design as the creation of visual composition to solve problems and communicate ideas through the use of typography, imagery, color, and form. Yeah, so that is from 99 Designs blog post. They are on their website. Yeah, so while from another creativity book titled The Fundamentals of Graphic Design, written by Paul Harris and Gavin Ambrose. So in the book, graphic design was defined as an exercise that takes ideas, concepts, text, and images to create a visually appealing message through print, electronic, or any media. Yeah, so it also dive in other paragraph, some paragraph of the book, of the chapter, tends to describe or make the definition more clear by adding it imposes order and structure to the content in order to ease and facilitate the communication process. So this is telling us, like, basically a quick just like an int, let's call it int. So an int to what graphic design itself entails, what it entails. So it imposes order and structure, layout and composition. Quoted, that was added by me. It imposes order and structure to the content in order to ease and facilitate the communication process. Yeah, so that is graphic design. It's so straightforward and explanatory. So now we'll be proceeding to the types of graphic design. So we have basically 8 major types of graphic design. The first one is brand visual identity graphic design. Second is the marketing and advertising graphic design. The third is the user interface graphic design. Fourth, publication graphic design. Fifth, packaging graphic design. Sixth, motion graphics design. Seventh, art and illustration graphic design. And eighth, you have the environmental graphic design. So the visual identity graphic design, the scope in which they use is the major on brand's unique style, on representing the brand's unique style and values. So their work includes creation of brand logos, typography, and color palette and image library. So that is majorly the function of the visual identity design graphic designers. So the marketing and advertising graphic design, they major on content marketing and digital advertising. Content marketing and digital advertising. The user interface graphic designers, they are otherwise called the product designers. These are those that do they design products, they do text, they do research, they do usability testing, and other scopes which falls under their roles. So that is for the user interface graphic designers. We have the publication graphic design. These are the guys that does books, that do books, magazine, newspaper, and catalog, etc. The list is endless. Just to make it short and just a quick overview, as we earlier said. Yeah. So the motion graphics designers, they are the ones that make animated logo, trailers, video games, and presentation. Art and illustration, the seventh type under the types of graphic design. The seventh type of designers we have are the art and illustration graphic designers. Their major role is they do graphic novel, t-shirts, production of stock images, and comic books. Yeah. And the last on the list are the environmental graphic designers. Their major function is they design wall murals, signage, outdoor and indoor, office branding, and museum exhibition. So yeah, so I hope we have a grasp of what graphic design and the types of graphic designers we have now. I hope we have a grasp of it now. So we'll be proceeding on to the next section, which talks about the tools graphic designers of this age are using. We have major tools. We have the Adobe Photoshop, which is I'm currently using on my screen, as you can see. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Lightroom Sketch, CorelDRAW graphic suite, to mention a few. Yes. And the last thing on the last section, going to the last section, this I want to let us know that the lists are endless, so we can make further research and we have better understanding of the discussion. So yeah, now so proceeding to job titles for graphic designers. There are 4 major roles for graphic designers. We have the art director, creative designer, brand designer, design director. Graphic designers can be members of creative teams, creative leads, and agency, and freelancing. So we can just decide which of the roles we want to be, and so we pursue the career. So each of the roles has different obligations. So but the roles, your roles will be clearly stated by which organization is giving you the job. But majorly, as you will also read in this book, The Fundamentals of Graphic Design, a graphic designer has only two roles in any project. In any project you are given, a graphic designer has only two roles, and the roles are satisfying the brief and satisfying the client. So I want us to note that. So that will be all for this session. So see us in the next session. All right, thanks. Nice every time.
How many minutes?
11.
Okay.
11.